Hello everyone, let's take subtraction of fraction. And the first question here is 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Here in this case, we have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Here we have the same denominator 3, 3. In case where we have the same denominator, all we just need to do is write the denominator 3, subtract the numerator 2 minus 1, 1. We have 1 over 3. We have solved this. Second one here, we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. We have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. In this case, we'll see that the denominator are not the same. And when the denominator are not the same, to subtract such fraction, what we'll do is we'll find the LCM of the denominator. That is the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Make use of 4. That means we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. The LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 multiplied by the numerator, which is 3, minus 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 multiplied by the numerator, 1. Here we have 3 minus 2 over 4. 1 times 3, 3, 2 times 1, 2, 3 minus 2, we have 1 over 4. That means 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 4. Here, the third question we have here, we have 3 whole number 2 over 4 minus 2 whole number 1 over 3. In this case, here we have a mixed fraction. Now what we do here is we have the whole number here is 3, the whole number here is 2. Subtract that one first. 3 minus 2, we have 1. 1. Now, 4 and 3 is the denominator, 4 and 3 are the denominators here. So what we'll do here is we'll find the LCM of the denominator, which is 4 and 3. The LCM here of 4 and 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 multiplied by 2 minus 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 1, 4. All over 12. We have one whole number. 6 minus 4, 2 over 12. That means we can also have this as 1. 2 and 12 as the common factor, which is 2. This can be 1 over 6. So the answer can be 1 number, 1 over 6. So the subtraction of these two fractions will give us 1 number, 1 over 6, or 1 number, 2 over 12. Alternatively, we can also solve it like this. We can use this method as well for method 2. What we'll do is we'll change this fraction to mixed number. So we change 3 whole number 2 over 4. We have 3 whole number 2 over 4 minus 2 whole number 1 over 3. We'll change this to improper fraction. That is 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 2, we have 14 over 4 minus 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, we have 7 over 3. Here, the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 multiplied by 14. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 7. Then we have 3 times 14, give us 42, minus 4 times 7, give us 28, all over 12. Then we have 42 minus 28 give us 14, all over 12. This is an improper fraction. Then we can write this as mixed number, and we have 1 whole number 2 over 12. And so we have the same answer as here, which we can also now write this as 1 number. They have factor, common factor. 2 and 12 is common factor, which is 2. 2 comes here, we have 1, all over 2 here, 6. So you can see that we have the same answer. That's subtraction of fraction. Surely